J Dot, man. Rather be with you. Shouts to Wale. I don't know that nigga personally, but I fuck with this beat. You feel me? Let's get it. Said I'd rather be with you. J Dot so cool. Hop in this whip and get self-served. Girl, you got some nice eyes and some sharp curves, but I'm more into your mind. Your thoughts urge me to do what I did. You know my type words can be exactly what you missing if you sit down and listen. Not trying to see your frame, but know your name. You know I'm into whatever you desire. Fuck the cost, I go and get you the glow. If you need a little space, I can give you. All your body's missing when you cry. I got your tissue. I only use mags when I'm giving you the issue. She killed the nigga dead, shot me down with no pistol. I told her she the one to blow me up like a missile. Ha, yeah, and then I kiss you. Told her she was right, get on these papers like a pencil. J Dot feeling like he on top. My mental is sick and I know that you thinking when I lick you. Hit you up on your cellular whenever you mobile. You gas a nigga up, then the nigga gotta show you your new life. My new wife, I'm always gonna hold you down, mama. Jay, and I'm rather hold you down. Yo, just trying to say something like Cole said, man.